Now, look at this mess. That's not a meal, it's a crime scene. You wanted that steakhouse quality, edge-to-edge crust, but you ended up with a sticky mess in a house full of smoke. Most people think it's the pan's fault, or maybe they're just not a cast iron person. Well, I'm here to tell you that you are wrong. Your pan is fine, your strategy is what's broken. And the number one reason why your pan is sticky is this little thing called heat management. But we're gonna cut through all that stickiness today. You don't need a 12-step seasoning process. You just need about 5 minutes of patience. The truth is, we've all been fooled. We see those fancy cooking shows with the flaming hot pans, and then we try to do that with a 10-pound hunk of iron. Well, friend, that's the fastest way to ruin your seasoning. Cast iron's like a freight train. It takes a little while for it to get up to speed, but once it does, it's difficult to stop. And when you crank that heat on high, some sticky things are about to happen. For starters, you're creating burnt bullseyes in the center of your pan. You're incinerating your seasoning like it's a bunch of old porch paint. It's like you're welding the food directly to the metal. And what ends up happening is you basically vaporize the oil before it even hits the pan surface. Here's a simple strategy that your grandma probably used. And you know, your grandma probably wasn't in a rush, and you shouldn't be either. Step 1, start cold. Put the pan on a coal burner. Step 2, put it on medium-low. That might be a 3 or 4 on your stove dial. And don't go higher. Trust me. And finally, step 3, wait. That's right, wait. Give it 5 to 7 minutes. That's all I ask. You could go outside and check the mail, or maybe find one of your kids and give them a hug. Give it time so you can let every ounce of that heat soak into that pan. And only add oil when your pan is ready, after you wait it, like your grandma would. And then you will notice that shimmer. And that shimmer, you might ask, becomes your pan's suit of armor. You will notice something different to start happening. No sticking, no alarms going off, and most importantly, no frustration. And all that is because you're letting the cast iron doing the heavy lifting. And whether it's a juicy steak or a delicate dish, the secret isn't a high flame, it's that you waited a little bit to let all that retained heat soak in that iron. And in the end, you're mastering the tool, not letting the tool master you. So that leaves me with this. I want to challenge you today. Don't go re-season that pan again. Just try this one proven formula. Try the 5-minute wait, and know that in the world of cast iron, medium heat is the new high heat. And your cast iron is your legacy. It's written in bacon fat or maybe Crisco. And also, a few drops of patience. And if you treat it with a little respect, it'll last beyond your lifetime. And if this helps you, click the subscribe button and join our family. Because we're building a community of people that are like-minded and respect one another, and also want to take care of cast iron. So, tell me the worst sticking story you ever had. Share it in the comments. I'll meet you there.